Good morning. Today we shall study about communication channel. Computer networks, that means interlinking of machines were done. Why? In order to share resources among themselves. As and when the resource will be shared, then transfer of files or folder will take place from one machine to the another. The medium that these files require to travel, that is the communication channel. I told you earlier, in physics, light requires a medium to travel, as well as these signals. Okay, in this combination of networks, these files and folder travels. That means the sharing will take place. They will travel in the form of data. Okay, and for the data to be traveling, they will require a communication channel. That is the medium. Okay, so earlier also you have learned about guided media and unguided media. Okay, so communication channel is nothing but the path that the signal travel, or the path that the data travel. Okay, travel from where to where? The path that the data travel from the sender to the receiver end. That is nothing but a route, path हो गया, रास्ता भी बोल सकते हैं. Alright. Now there are two types of path. If the path is physically connected one, that means it is guided media. Example, you recall, twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, fiber optics, etc. Okay, physically if their path exists, then it will come under the guided media. What are the examples? Twisted pair cable, coaxial cables, and the fiber optics. And in unguided media, I told you, Bluetooth is there. Okay, here there is no physical connection. That is what a conceptual thing. Okay, here no physical connection exists. Here physical connection will exist. Okay, in this type of communication channel, physical connection exists between the sender and the receiver. In this type of communication channel, unguided one, then no physical connection is there between the sender and the receivers. Only thing is that they can communicate with the form of radio signals or satellite communication, satellite signals. Alright, if required, you can pause the video and you can note it down. We'll be getting separate notes. Still, if you want, you can pause the video and you can note these things. So now we'll be knowing bandwidth and data transfer rate. So these are in the second bullet of the heading computer networks. Syllabus is there. Okay, both for CBSE as well as Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. Syllabus is there. Under this syllabus there is a unit called computer networks. Computer networks का unit के अंदर second वाला जो bullet है, that we are discussing. Communication channel हो गया, bandwidth हो गया, data transfer. That is the second bullet. Entire second bullet will be covered in this video. Just now you have heard what is communication channel. रास्ता है, path है. Okay. You consider normal roads, that is nearby your home, that is in front of your homes. All these roads have certain constraints, limitations. इसका लंबाई इतना है, इसका width इतना है, all these things. Okay. So here the same channel in the computer networks also has some constraints, which limitations have, or the capacity of a communication channel is measured in terms of bandwidth. नॉर्मल रोड का कैपेसिटी, वाइलन है, छोटा सा वाइलन है, दो गाड़ी साथ साथ नहीं चल सकता है, इट इज़ नॉट दैट इतना चौड़ा नहीं है, ओके, इतना विथ नहीं है उसका, दो गाड़ी साथ साथ नहीं चल सकता, एक के पीछे एक आना होता है, दैट आर द कॉन्स्टेंट्स. वहीं पे इन दिस कम्युनिकेशन चैनल ऑल्सो देयर आर सम सर्टेन कॉन्स्टेंट्स, सर्टेन लिमिटेशंस कि डेटा इतना ही ट्रैवल कर सकता है, सारा एक साथ नहीं भेजा जा सकता है. ऑलराइट, सो द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन चैनल इज टर्म्ड एज द बैंडविड्थ. कम्युनिकेशन चैनल का कैपेसिटी is termed as bandwidth. Okay, अभी signal is there. Okay, signal are of two types. Analog signal and digital signal. Okay, so analog signal, the frequency of analog signal is measured in terms of hertz, and this is measured in terms of digital signal is measured in terms of bits. Alright, now let's come back to this. कम्युनिकेशन चैनल का कैपेसिटी को बोला जाता है बैंडविड्थ. दैट इज द फॉर्मल डेफिनेशन. अभी इनफॉर्मली थोड़ा समझाते हैं बैंडविड्थ क्या है. बैंडविड्थ है डिफरेंस बिटवीन highest and the lowest frequency of a signal. Let me drop this. इसके बारे में आएंगे हम. Now we are discussing this. That's why let इसी को रहने देते हैं बोर्ड पे. Bandwidth. So bandwidth is nothing but the difference, okay, between the highest and the lowest signal. चैनल है, चैनल में मान लीजिए कि 2 हर्ट्ज का हम सबसे लोएस्ट सिग्नल दैट कैन ट्रेवल इन दिस चैनल इज of 2 hertz. Okay, frequency of 2 hertz. Frequency of 2 hertz is the minimum level of frequency that this channel can take in its own. Okay, और हाईएस्ट मान लेता है हम लोग कि 202 hertz. 202 hertz के ऊपर वाला फ्रीक्वेंसी का सिग्नल इस बैंडविड्थ से नहीं गुजर सकता, इस चैनल से नहीं गुजर सकता. देन व्हाट विल बी द डिफरेंस? 202 minus 2, that is 200 hertz. That is the bandwidth. Clear? So bandwidth is nothing but the difference between the highest and the lowest frequency that the channel is sending of a signal. Okay, channel क्या कर रहा है अपने से? It is allowing a signal to pass through its own. That signal has frequency. You already know frequency is measured in terms of hertz. This bandwidth will allow minimum, इतना ही allow करेगा, उससे नीचे वाला सिग्नल को allow नहीं करता है अपने सब पास में. That minimum और maximum का difference है bandwidth. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, now let's discuss data transfer. It is the measurement of how fast the bits are traveling, how fast the data bits are traveling कहाँ पे? In the communication channel. How fast the data transfer takes place in a communication channel. That is the definition. It is measured in, okay, let me write. Okay, this is the definition, how fast the data is transferred. Okay, it is normally measured in bps, small b, small p, small s, bit per second. in this particular bullet there are some terminologies, that is BPS, bits per second, kbps, kilobits per second, mbps, megabits per second, and this is terabits per second. Another thing is that all of you know 8 bits is how much? 1 byte. Okay. Now kbps is what? kbps is 1000 bps. 1000 bits per second एक साथ जब ट्रेवल करेगा that will termed as kbps. 1000 kbps is 1 megabit per second. Okay, and 1000 mbps is equal 1 terabits per second. Lastly, we will discuss about this one. Actually, this is not there, still I am telling you. Bits per second, I told you no, B will be in small letter. If you find this B to be in capital letter, then it is kilobyte per second. तो ऐसे हो सकता है MBPS, ऐसा एक टर्म मिल सकता है जहाँ पे B कैपिटल पे मिले. डेटा रेट दे हैव गिवन टू यू एज कैपिटल, ऐसा दिया जाएगा तो दैट इज 100 kbps स्मॉल b, हाँ, किलो बिट्स पर सेकेंड. और मान लीजिए ऐसा दे दिया कि mbps b कैपिटल दे दिया, सी द डिफरेंस, नोट द डिफरेंस, हाँ, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो अगर दे दिया mbps b कैपिटल में दिया तो मेगा बाइट पर सेकेंड. डेटा ट्रांसफर रेट, that is how fast the data is traveling, that rate they have given to be as mbps b capital में दिया, then it is megabyte per second. megabyte. अब बिट्स नहीं होगा, बिट्स विल बी चेंज टू बाइट, बिट विल चेंज टू बाइट अगर कैपिटल में दिया रहेगा. ओके, दिस ऑल वर देयर इन यूनिट 2. ओके, मींस इन कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स इज ए यूनिट इन योर सिलेबस, क्लास 12 सिलेबस. उसके अंदर सेकेंड वाला बुलेट इज कंप्लीटेड अलोंग विद दिस वीडियो. ऑलराइट.